Hi dear children, a wonderful day to all. How are you? Hope you are all fine now. Now, last day we were going on with A Triumph of Surgery, a story written by Dr. James Harriot, taken from his experiences, and we were dealing with mainly three characters. One was Tricky and the second one was Mrs. Pumphrey, the mistress of Tricky. Tricky was a dog, hope you remember all those names. And the third one was Dr. James Harriot himself. And last day we have learned that Tricky fell ill because of overeating and over-pampering of his mistress, and he was taken into the hospital by James Harriot, in his clinic by James Harriot, right? And then what happens, and will Tricky be very well soon, and will he be able to go back with his mistress, and what will be the reaction of Tricky when we see the mistress after a fortnight after the treatment? What will be the reaction of the mistress after treatment? All those things we can see very clearly in the coming classes. Let us see, let us go for the lesson. Was the previous class very clear? Hope it is very clear. Now we will continue with the lesson. Where we have stopped is where Tricky was taken into hospital, and for 2-3 days he was given only water, plenty of water. The first day Tricky was not reacting, but the second day onwards Tricky started reacting, and on third day Tricky started moving with the other dogs, right? Now we'll see what is going to happen, and we'll go for page number 3. And the last paragraph in page number 3, I am going to read it. Listen to me carefully, okay? Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan stopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sound of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of the meal. Now listen, after a few days, maybe on the third day or fourth day, in the noon time, during the lunch time, doctor was also present there, and he watched all the dogs what they were doing when the meal was served. They were really having such a good struggle to have their meal, because they knew it very well. If they were standing waiting for the meal, they will have to trouble later. Why? If he wait for others to finish it, automatically he is not going to get sufficient food for him. That was going to be a problem. Every dog knew it very well. Now we'll go for the next paragraph. Listen to me. I'm going to read. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Now listen, all the dogs were having a mess, but at the same time Tricky was not joining the mess, because he didn't want to eat much. He was not having that comfortable mood to eat. But what he did, after every dogs have finished their meal and when they went out, Tricky came there. Tricky came near the bowls. He started roaming around the bowls and started licking some of the bowls, tasting the food. What does it mean? Clearly means that Tricky was having a tendency to enjoy something, eat something. He was starting the tendency to have something. Means he don't want to eat heavy food. He just wanted to taste it. That was his condition at that time, and our doctor was watching it very clearly that for the next meal, doctor kept another bowl, a new bowl near all the other bowls, and that was for Tricky. When doctor kept the next new bowl, Tricky knew it very well that it was for him, and still he started moving towards the new bowl. We'll see the next paragraph. All these.
From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered joy of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang and unlikely, slyly little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share of mealtime and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Now, doctor was just observing the dog, how the dog was improving. Tricky was improving in a tremendous way that he was able to join the other dogs for the meal, and he started fighting for the meal, and at the same time when the dogs were going for play, he also joined with the other dogs and was really enjoying all those pranks, the pushing, pulling, jumping, rolling, all those things he was really enjoying it and was trying to do it against the others also, trying to repeat it back after them. All those things were going on really nice for the little dog. Doctor was thinking it will be the first time in the life of Tricky that he would be enjoying such a time. Hope you remember the name of the dog, and we'll go for the next paragraph. Listen to me. If you have any doubts, you can come to me during the interaction session, and we'll go for the next paragraph. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey lowered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Now listen, as you know, Mrs. Pumphrey was too much loving the dog, Tricky. So what she will be doing? Automatically she was calling every day for like a dozen times. That's what the narrator uses. James Harriot is using the term a dozen times. Dozen times means 12 times a day. You can imagine how horrible it would be. Okay, but she was calling and calling continuously that James Harriot was not easily able to answer all her questions. What would be her questions? Whether his coat is suitable for his climate, and the bed sheet was, his sheet was changed every day, and the bed sheet which was used to cover his sleeping place, that was changed every day, that was fresh every day. Such silly questions were there coming from Mrs. Pumphrey, but at the same time Dr. James Harriot was not able to answer all those questions. But at the same time, James Harriot was able to answer one question. The answer was the dog was improving day by day in a drastic way. It was getting such a good improvement every day. And one thing is very sure, the doctor was not giving much treatment. It was just giving observation properly and giving enough time for the dog to play in the open space, that the body will become strong and healthy at the earliest, and was giving enough food which will make him healthy. But that was not the food which Mrs. Pumphrey was giving. Let us see what was Mrs. Pumphrey giving, because we can see in the coming paragraphs that Mrs. Pumphrey was sending food to Dr. James Harriot and was asking him to share it to Tricky. Let us see what all things were being shared and what was the menu of the poor creature. Let's see that now. And before that, there is a new word which comes here. The word is convalescing. The spelling is C-O-N-V-A-E-S-C-I-N-G, convalescing. And this term means recovering from on the illness in a faster way. And the meaning is already given here, so you don't want to get confused about the meaning of new words. Listen to the spelling also and make sure that you are adding this word also into your vocabulary. Okay, and we'll continue. Now we'll see what happens, what is the reaction of the mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, when she heard that Tricky was recovering very soon. Let's see. The word convulsing seemed to be something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She wanted to bring round fresh eggs 2 dozen at a time to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my patrons and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now listen, in a sudden when Mrs. Pumphrey heard that Tricky is recovering very fast, she wanted to add more nutritious food, more energy food into her menu. So automatically she started sending a 2 dozens of eggs, fresh egg to him, and doctor accepted everything and kept aside, but he did not give it to Tricky as this was not the right time for him to give it to Tricky. Hope you are clear about it. And what they did was Dr. James Harriot and his patrons, they were all sharing the eggs every day during breakfast. He was taking 2 for him and was sharing the rest to others in the hospital. And then what he did was he gave Tricky only the regular meal which he was giving to him on every day. That's what happened really. And later, when she started sending wine, that was really a surprise for him first. Can you imagine a dog being served with wine? Egg is fine, that's quite natural, but served with wine. Human beings, it's fine. But what about a dog? That was the over-caring of Mrs. Pumphrey. And we can see later what else she is giving. Then we will be really, what we'll say, astonished. We can see that later. And here, when she started sending wine, that was really an enjoyable time to Dr. James Harriot and his patrons. And we'll see, continue the paragraph now. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Now listen, actually Mrs. Pumphrey was sending all these things, the eggs and the wine, everything she was sending for Tricky. But at the same time, as James Harriot was clearly aware about the condition of Tricky, he was not ready to give this to Tricky. But instead he was having it with his family and his colleagues. And from that moment when Mrs. Pumphrey started sending the wine bottles, at that moment onwards their meals were like a celebration, because just 2 glasses of wine before the meal and many glasses during the meal, that was really an enjoyment time for Dr. James Harriot and his team. They enjoyed it really well. Now we'll continue with the next page. Have a look at the paragraph. I'm going to read it for you. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and rivertly drunk. Okay, listen. The next thing Mrs. Pumphrey was sending was, it was not even wine but brandy. She started sending brandy bottles also. At that time, doctor and his team were really, they were a little shocked, but they were not ready to give that also to Tricky, as they know the condition of Tricky and they wanted Tricky to be healthy at the earliest. What they feel is, for a few days, as they were taking brandy as a part of their food, they were enjoying it. So what happened is, they were feeling drunk in the morning and in the late night also. They were not feeling very comfortable during the daytime when they opened their eyes in the morning. They were feeling a little drunk in the beginning of the time. During the beginning when they started drinking brandy, they were feeling a little drunk. Hope you all have the textbook with you. If you don't have it, make sure that you are using the PDF which I have shared. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.